Well, hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. This is part 8 of the Humvee recon project. Thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on where I'm at with the project. So the last 3 weeks, all I've done was just correcting the hood alignments and put in a couple of brackets on top. I'll show you a more detailed angle to see everything, but other than that, I was just trying to correct all the misalignments, and it's kind of tough because every time I take it out, do a couple of welds, put it back, and something warped. So I had to cut like a bunch of different places trying to get it corrected. But anyway, it's all done. I finally can move on and do something else. Give you guys a closer look at where everything is. You can see that I cut like many different places to relieve the stress on the metal, so I was able to bend everything. You can see that the gaps are looking like really good now. All of this is kind of flush now. No more warping. There we go. Starting to look really good. There you go. You see the gaps are looking good. Everything is lined up. And surprisingly, this thing still fit like perfectly. Step back a little bit. Yeah, so this is where I'm at. Tomorrow I got a full day, taking a day off, President's Day, and keep working on, get the hinges on, make sure everything fit perfectly, and then we'll figure out what to do next. It's kind of thinking of doing interior, maybe start fabricating the dash and get that kind of finalized. This is gonna be the fun part. That's something I really like to work on. It's gonna look really cool when all the stuff is in. I guess that's pretty much where I'm at this point. I took quite a bit of time off to just walk away because I was frustrated with the misalignment, get it on, and everything, you know, supposed to fit perfectly, and then it didn't. Take it back out, make some cuts. It looks really good from the outside, but when I got it back in, didn't line up right. So I was pretty frustrated. I walked away, worked on the Oldsmobile for a little bit, and then came back, and today I finally got everything working out. So I'm pretty glad that that's done. The next few weeks I'll be working on that dash. Well, first I need to get the hinges on the hood and make sure all that is good to go, and then we'll move on to the interior. That's going to be fun. I really look forward to do that. So I will give you guys further updates in the next couple of weeks. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.